high-speed cutting across a wider tube range, redefining efficiency with every cut. LX-K19 K19 laser tube cutting machine, creating greater value in tube processing. Extreme cutting speed sets the K19 apart, with up to 1.5 G acceleration and millisecond-level motion response. The machine minimizes non-cutting travel and significantly improves cutting rhythm. Co-developed by LX-K19 and BOCHU and powered by optimized algorithms, it features rotational speed up to 150 R per minute, delivering higher output in the same time and leading its class in efficiency. Efficiency meets speed. Stability is the foundation of true speed, with a LX-K19 self-developed L-shaped machine bed, precision-treated through multiple processes. The K19 is built for high rigidity and long-term stability, with reduced deformation risk over years of use. It also features wide cutting range and micron-level repeat positioning accuracy. Designed for batch production, the K19 needs less adjustment and delivers more consistent accuracy, maintaining precision 24/7 and helping customers improve production yield. Stability meets higher productivity. With a side-mounted bed design, it supports up to 1.8 tons per load, allowing high-capacity material staging and smooth processing of extra-long tubes. With one-touch, startup, and fully automated operation, it allows one operator to manage multiple machines, reducing labor input and minimizing idle time. High loading capacity meets time-saving efficiency. The intelligent front chuck avoidance helps minimize tailing waste, and remote control makes it easier to stay in control of the entire process. Lifetime maintenance and comprehensive after-sales service provide long-term peace of mind. This model is widely used in school furniture, sports equipment, construction, machinery, hardware, and furniture manufacturing, balancing stability and speed, users first.